Hi everyone, I'm Prab, and if there's one thing that's clear about 2025, it's that AI is everywhere. In this video, I'm diving deep into 7 AI tools that are straight up game changers. We're talking about tools that can help you save time, boost your productivity, and even put some extra cash in your pocket. Whether you're a seasoned tech pro, a creative entrepreneur, or just someone looking to simplify their life, there's something here for everyone. Make sure you watch till the end because the last tool is going to blow your mind. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. First up, we're kicking things off with Napkin AI. Now, we've all been there. You've got this killer idea, a brilliant concept, but communicating it visually, that's a whole other story. Napkin AI is here to bridge that gap. Think of it as your personal design assistant, taking your text prompts and transforming them into stunning infographics. And the best part, it's completely free. No hidden fees, no subscription plans, just pure, unadulterated AI magic. But Napkin AI isn't just about slapping some text onto a generic template. This tool goes deep. You have granular control over the customization, from choosing the perfect color palettes and fonts to tweaking the layout and adding your own personal flair. It's like having a design studio at your fingertips, minus the steep learning curve and the hefty price tag. Whether you're a student crafting a presentation, a marketer whipping up engaging social media posts, or an entrepreneur pitching your next big idea, Napkin AI has got your back. It's all about making visual communication effortless and accessible to everyone. So ditch those clunky design tools and give Napkin AI a spin. You might be surprised at just how easy it is to turn your ideas into visual masterpieces. Next up, let's talk about a tool that's all about supercharging your sales game. It's called Clay AI. And no, it's not going to sculpt you a masterpiece out of clay, though that would be pretty cool. Instead, Clay AI specializes in something even more valuable in today's digital age: personalized outreach. We're talking about crafting those perfect emails that actually get responses. We all know how time-consuming and frankly soul-crushing it can be to send out generic cold emails into the void hoping for a nibble. Clay AI flips the script on that. It leverages the power of AI to help you create tailor-made email campaigns that resonate with your target audience. Think about it, no more generic templates, no more awkward greetings, just genuine personalized messages that cut through the noise. Clay AI digs deep. It analyzes your prospects, understands their pain points, and crafts compelling messages that speak directly to their needs. And the beauty of it all is that it integrates seamlessly with your existing workflow. So if you're tired of your emails getting lost in the abyss, it might be time to give Clay AI a shot. It's like having a secret weapon in your sales arsenal. And trust me, your inbox and your bottom line will thank you for it. Okay, so we've talked about tools that can help you with visuals and communication. Now let's shift gears and talk about something that's crucial in today's rapidly evolving job market: upskilling. And for that, we're turning our attention to WXON University. Now, WXON University isn't your typical online learning platform. They're all about providing industry-relevant tech programs that are specifically designed to equip you with the skills you need to thrive in the tech world. We're talking about in-demand fields like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and more. But WXON University isn't just about cramming theoretical knowledge into your brain. They understand that in the tech world, practical experience is king. That's why their programs are built around hands-on projects, real-world case studies, and interactive learning experiences. So if you're serious about leveling up your tech skills and future-proofing your career, WXON University is definitely worth checking out. They're all about bridging the gap between academia and the real world, giving you the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in today's competitive job market. Alright, so for all you auditory learners out there, this next tool is for you. It's called Notebook LM, and it's all about revolutionizing the way we learn from podcasts. We all know how valuable podcasts can be. They're like portable knowledge bombs filled with inside stories and perspectives from experts in various fields. But let's be real, sometimes it feels like information overload, right? You're trying to absorb all these golden nuggets of wisdom, but it's tough to retain it all. That's where Notebook LM comes in. Think of it as your personal podcast assistant taking notes and organizing key takeaways so you don't have to. Have a burning question about something the host said? Just type it in and Notebook LM will use its AI magic to find the exact moment in the podcast where your question is addressed. It's like having a direct line to the podcast host, allowing you to dive deeper into the topics that matter most to you. So if you're ready to unlock a whole new level of podcast learning, give Notebook LM a try. It's time to turn those passive listening sessions into active learning experiences. Now, let's talk about automation. And no, I'm not talking about those clunky rule-based automations that require a PhD in coding to set up. I'm talking about the next generation of automation AI agents. And the tool that's leading the charge in this exciting new frontier is Crew AI. Crew AI empowers you to create and deploy AI agents that can automate tasks, gather information, and even make decisions based on your preferences. It's like having a team of virtual assistants working tirelessly behind the scenes to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. The best part is that Crew AI makes AI agent creation incredibly accessible. You don't need to be a coding wizard or an AI expert to harness their power. Their intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality make it easy for anyone to build and customize their own AI agents. Whether you're looking to automate repetitive tasks, get insights from massive datasets, or simply free up more time in your day, Crew AI has got you covered. So if you're ready to experience the future of automation, I highly recommend checking out Crew AI. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground so far, but what about those of you who are eager to dive deeper into the world of AI to explore the cutting edge of what's possible? Well, for that, we have Replicate AI. Now, the world of open source AI tools can be incredibly powerful, but let's be honest, it can also be a bit intimidating, especially if you're not a developer. Replicate AI changes that. They've created a platform that makes it incredibly easy for anyone, regardless of their technical background, to access and use powerful open source AI models. Think of it as a bridge between the complex world of AI research and the everyday user. With Replicate AI, you can experiment with state-of-the-art AI models for image generation, text processing, audio editing, and so much more. They've got a vast library of pre-trained models ready to go, or you can even bring your own custom models if you're feeling adventurous. Replicate AI's visual interface makes it incredibly intuitive to interact with these AI models, tweak parameters, and get amazing results. So if you're ready to unleash your inner AI enthusiast, I highly recommend giving Replicate AI a spin. And last but not least, let's talk about a tool that's a game changer for all you podcasters and video creators out there. It's called Autopod AI, and it's about to revolutionize the way you edit your audio and video content. We all know that editing is an essential part of the content creation process, but it can also be incredibly time-consuming, and time, as they say, is money. Autopod AI is here to give you that time back. Think of it as your AI editing assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to polish your audio and video to perfection. But Autopod AI isn't just about automating those basic editing tasks, like cutting out silences or removing background noise. It uses the power of AI to understand the context of your content, identify those awkward pauses, and even suggest improvements to your pacing and delivery. Imagine being able to edit a full-length podcast episode in a fraction of the time it would normally take. So if you're ready to say goodbye to those long editing sessions and hello to a more efficient workflow, give Autopod AI a try. Imagine a world in which you can think of a thought and you can turn it into action without doing anything. It's now possible with this new AI hardware tool called Omi. Now, with this new Omi tool, you can literally attach it on your head like a pill, and it will detect all of your brain signals and turn them into actions. So anything that you want to get done, you can now do it without even lifting your finger. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content.